So, final update. Coyote is in there. The transmission is mounted underneath. So now we just gotta figure out all the wiring, swap the computers over, and then see how it all turned out. The other thing, also need the AC lines figured out, so that's the V6 one. I think we're gonna have to get the 4.6 AC lines because the AC compressor's down there on the 4.6 and this 5.0, but these AC lines set up for the V6, which the AC compressor was on the other side. So figure that out. So AC lines, wiring, and then start piecing it all back together. Fun stuff. Okay, we're back with a quick update. Ginger's napping under the car, but we got all the wiring figured out. This is the old 50 pin connector. We got the 70 pin from the Coyote down there, and then engine and trans. We have a couple of wires that we didn't use, so I wrote them all down here. I have this book and the other book for the wiring diagrams of the 06 and the 12. Quick note, we still have to do the pedal, which is right here, and then this spreadsheet was actually created by Matt, so I hit him up on Instagram and he was kind enough to sell me a copy of these. Super helpful, saved so much time, absolutely worth it, so definitely a huge plus there. Also, this is the pedal from the Coyote car, and then here's the, just dropped it. Here's the wiring for it, and make sure I didn't break anything. No, it doesn't look like it. Pretty thick plastic, so I'd be kind of surprised if I did. But anyways, so got to take it out of that car, the pedal out of that car, cut the wiring, wire this sensor in there, or rather plug, and we should be all done from wiring from there, other than just like the 12 wires I have to figure out if I use them or not. So